Hello everyone, and I welcome you all in this learning video. As you know that in the previous learning video, we have seen what is joint distribution for continuous random variable, and in this learning video we'll see a problem on the same topic. Okay, so here this problem says the joint density function of random variable x and y is given to us like this, and we have to find certain things. Okay, so let us concentrate on the first one. So what is given to us? We are given this f of xy is the joint density function. So you can write as f of xy is a joint density function, then what? Then integration minus infinity to infinity f of xy dx dy is equal to 1. That is, but we have the values from 2 to 6 and 0 to 5. So convert this from x is equal to 2 to 6, from y equal to 0 to 5. What is f of xy? C times 2x plus y dx dy is equal to 1. Okay, now I can take this c outside and I can write limit x is equal to 2 to 6 integration of 2 x y, because we are integrating with respect to y, so 2x is constant, integration of 1 is y, integration of y is y square by 2, limit 0 to 5, dx is equal to 1. Now apply upper limit minus lower limit will gives you c into limit x is equal to 2 to 6, then apply the limits of put y equal to 5, will be getting 10x plus 25 by 2 dx is equal to 1. Then apply again integration with respect to x now. So this is c into 10 x square by 2 plus 25 by 2x, and apply the limit x is equal to 2 to 6. Okay, now when you solve this and applying the limit, you will be getting 2 1 10 times c is equal to 1. Therefore c is equal to 1 upon 210. Okay, just to save time, because we have a very lengthy problem to solve, that's why I have written directly. You can solve it, you will check, you will get 1 by 210. Okay, now after this constant, we have to find out the marginal distribution function of x and y. So let us find out marginal distribution function of x and y. So first of all, we'll find the marginal distribution function. The marginal distribution function of x is given by, this is distribution function. Okay, so take care of the notations. f1 of x, is it? f1 of x is equal to integration from v is equal to minus infinity to x, f of uv du dv. That is the formula we have. Okay, so this is the formula we have. Now for the range we have to start. So the lowest range is x greater than 2, so we have to start with x less than 2. Okay, so you can write for x less than or equal to 2. For x less than equal to 2, we don't have any value, so you can directly write f1 of x is equal to 0. How you will get this? For x less than equal to 2, we don't have the functional value, means this falls under otherwise, and the function value is 0. So when you put here 0, integration of 0 is 0. So f1 of x is 0. Okay, or this is joint distribution. So f1 of xy, just a minute. Yes, correct. f1 of x is 0. Correct. Okay, now this is for less than equal to 2. Now go on taking the values of x. So for x for x greater than 2 but less than 6. Less than 6, what we have? We have f of xy to be c times 2x plus y, is it? So what would be my f1 of x for this range? F1 of x would be integration u is equal to 2 to x integration v is equal to 0 to 5 f of xy in terms of uv. So this is c times 2u plus v du dv. Now try to solve this. Okay, so when you solve this, so what you'll be getting, you can solve this like first you can integrate with respect to v. So integration u is equal to 2 to x, then what is its integration? C is 1 upon 210, so 1 upon 210 to uv plus v square by 2, limit 0 to 5, okay, du. So it should be 1 by 210 integration, okay, when you apply the limits you'll be getting 10u plus 25 by 2, okay. Now again integrate, you'll be getting 210 integration of this from 2 to x, okay. So this is like 1 upon 210 into, now apply the upper limit minus lower limit, so this is 5x square plus 25 by 2x minus this is 520 minus 25 minus 20 minus 25. When you solve this, you'll be getting, solve this to get when you solve this, you'll be getting, what is it? You'll be getting 1 upon 210 or let me write down the final answer, 1 upon 210 into 10x square plus 25x minus 90, sorry, minus 5 plus 5, 10. This is minus 90, correct. Minus 90. So 1 by 210 10x square plus 25x minus 90. This is plus, okay. So this is for the range 2 less than x less than 6. Now we have another range which is for greater than or equal to 6. So for greater than or equal to 6, you can solve this. So remember this one now. For 2 less than x less than 6 we are through. For x greater than 6. So for x greater than 6 we have the function x greater than equal to 6, sorry. For x greater than equal to 6, okay, we have the f of xy, it should be less than equal to, okay. So f1 of x is integration 2 to 6, 0 to 5. So it will remain all the things as it is, just same calculations will be there. Instead of x you have 6. So it is like like 5 into 36 plus 25 into 6 minus 5 into 4 minus 25 by minus 25, okay. So we have this. So we have 1 upon 210 into 210, which comes out to be 1. Okay. So we got this value as 1. So now you can write down the marginal distribution function x. So the marginal distribution function of x, which we denote by capital F1 of x, has the values 1 is 0, 1 is 0 for x less than 2, and then we got the value, what was that, 1 upon 210 and 1 upon 210, what was that value, 10x square, 10x square plus 25x minus 90 by 2. This is for x less than 2, this value is for 2 less than x less than 6, and for x greater than equal to 6 we have the value 1. So you know that if we have the starting value 0 and if we are getting the final answer as 1, means whatever calculation we have done is correct. This is just the marginal density function of x. Now we'll find out the marginal density function of y is given by f2 of y. F2 of y is integration minus infinity to infinity minus infinity to y f of uv dv. So for y what we have the range. What is the problem? C, we have the problem C, 2x plus y for 0 less than y less than 5 and 2 less than x less than 6 and 0 else. Okay, so we have this function. So for x less than 0 we can take, for x less than equal to 0 we have f of uv 0, so f2 of y is 0. Then for the range you can take, for 0 greater than y but less than 5 we have f of xy is this, you can write f of uv c to u plus v and then integrate. So what is f2 of y? So f2 of y is integration from minus infinity to so for the range we have the values. We have the values for the range, this 2 to 6, 0 to 5, so this would be 0 to x, c times this 1 by 10, 2 to 6, then 2u v square, 0 to v du, then 1 by 2 by 6, 10 uv, so 2v square, I think we'll be getting, this is y not v, sorry, it's y, correct. So now when you apply the limits you'll be getting 2 10 u y, then y square by 2 y square by 2 into du equal to 1, not equal to 1, sorry, then 1 upon 2 10 u square by 2 into y plus y square is y square into u this, okay, 210 1s are 5s are, then apply the limits, make sure I am going correct, 2uy into y square by 2, then this, apply the upper limit minus lower limit for u, so this is 5 into 4, so this is 20y, sorry, first I will take this, so this is 5 into 36y plus 6 or 2 get cancel, so this is 3y square, then minus what, 20y minus 2 get cancel minus y square. So we have the answer to this as, we have the answer to this y square plus 16y so this is we have the value of this as so I am borrowing from the book so this is 1 upon 210 into 32y plus 2y square. Seriously? This is 20y 32. Okay. 36y plus 3y square minus 4y. Two y into u square. I'll be getting this 2uv. Let me take 2uv plus v square by 2. Then 2uy. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. Okay. So this is now it's correct. So we have this. Now you have to go for the third one. So do the calculation very precisely. See, I have done the one or two silly mistakes because so many calculations are there. It happens, but it should not happen from your side. Okay. Now for 0 less than for y greater than equal to 5. Next for y greater than equal to 5, f of uv is this. Then again this is like 0 to 5 and then 210, 2 to 6, 0 to 5. Now it should be 10. 10 u. It should be 5 to the 10 u plus 25 by 2 and then again same calculations 1 upon 210 2 get cancel so 2 get cancel u square y okay 2 get cancel u square okay just let me rub this all those things to avoid confusion. So the next thing is 1 upon 210 this is 10 u square by 2 plus 25 by 2u then 2 to 6 then we have this is 5 then 1 by 210 then this is 20 then this is 5 into 36 plus 3 into 25 minus 5 into 4 minus 25 okay and this comes out to be 1. 5 into 36 okay you can just solve this. Okay, so it should comes out to be 210 get cancel and this so finally we'll be getting the marginal distribution function of y comes out to be first value is 0 f2 of y is equal to 0. The second value that we have is what was that y squared 1 by 210 into 1 by 210 into 32y plus 2y square okay this is the second value and the third value is 1. So this is for the range what? This is for the range y less than equal to 0 then this is for 0 less than y less than 6 and this is for y 5 y greater than equal to 5. So we have these two distribution function a very lengthy example. Now once you get the distribution function you can easily get the marginal density function by just taking the derivative of this. So now the third one is marginal density function of x. So marginal density function of x is what you just need to do is just take the derivative of this. Okay, so it should be f1 of x, which is, you can write ddx of capital F1 of x. So what is it? So all the values will remain as it is, 0. This is for also 0. Okay, so I will take this in otherwise, and here what is derivative of this? 1 upon 2 tan into, this is 20x plus 25 by 2. Okay, by 2. So this is for 2 less than x less than equal to 6, less than 6, and otherwise we have 0. So actually you can solve this. You can take 5 common over here. Okay, and when you take 5 common over here, so this would be 4x, and this would be just 5. Okay, so you can cancel out something and you remain with 84. So when you divide this, you remain with 1 by 84. Okay, likewise you can find out marginal density function of y is, so what is it? f2 of y, which is dd of f2 of y, which comes out to be, we have this function, so I will be taking 0 as otherwise, because derivative of 0 is 0, derivative of 1 is 1, and derivative of this you can take 2 common from here. Let us take now. So it is 1 upon 2 10. What is derivative of 32y is 32, plus derivative of 2y square is 4y. Now 4 get cancelled with this. If you want, you can write 0 less than y less than 5. Okay, so this is nothing but the marginal density function of x and marginal density function of y. Now only one is left, that is to check whether the functions are linearly dependent or independent. So just see, multiply this f1 of x and f2 of y. If you multiply f1 of x and f2 of y, this multiplication will not give you c into 2x plus y. Okay, because when you multiply, you're not getting something like this 2x plus y, because plus is there in all the terms. So what we can say, x and y are not independent, or in other words, x and y are dependent variable. So that's complete the very lengthy solution of this problem. I hope you might have got the things. Somewhere I have take a little bit fast forward calculations, so you can solve precisely and get the things. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, so thank you for watching this learning video. Have a good day. Thank you.